will take two router. Here I will take like we can go down. I will select this is the router. We can take two here, and here I can say this is a R, and this here interface we will select. Here we will select the interface. We will click here save. So you have two router here, one here, one here, and we can click like this. We can connect here. Okay, and we can power on the router here and here, and we can put the IP whatever we are using. We can use same as we are using 12.0/24, and we can make this 14 and bold. So we can use this in between here, and this one we can make this here loopback 0. I can write here, and loopback we can say I'm using 1.1.1/8, and then I will make this. I will write here this side also I can use loopback. Here I can give 2.2.2 like this, 2.2.2.2. Okay, and I will click here, open this, and I will write here no. Then I will click this, I will open this, I will write here no, and now I can do the configuration. Configuration is simple, what we do before from long time. I will go here, I will write here basic EIGRP lab here, and here I will write here R1 configuration, enable config T, host name R1, and we can write interface F0/0, IP address. We can write 192.168.12.1, give space 255.255.255.0. I will write here no shut, interface loopback 0, IP address. I will write 1.1.1.1, give space 255.0.0.0. And here what I will do, I will enable the EIGRP. So router EIGRP1 and network, you need to write the network ID. So what is the network ID? You have 12.0. Like this also I can leave, or I can put this way. If the class full IP means if nothing done subnetting, we already know this belongs to class C, and this is a class C subnet mask. So this is a class full. So directly I can leave here only. But anyhow, I can write 0.0.255 wildcard mask. And then we will write here network and 1.0.0.0 and wildcard mask. Even you leave without wildcard mask, it will be okay. But I am putting here because this is a class full IP. And here network ID, you know this network ID 1, remaining we will put 0 because you have only 255 this side only. So this is a R1 configuration. Any doubts you have here what I wrote here? We will write no summarization also, but here I think this is a new version router, so no need to write no summarization. If you remember, if you have 15 or above 15, no need to write summarization. So we can check show version, you can type here, you can see this is a 15. So no need to write no summarization here. So I will copy this. I will paste this configuration in the R1. So I will go to the R1 here, and I will paste here. Let me paste here. See here, I pasted here. No error, nothing. This configuration is done. I need to do the R2 configuration. So I will go here. I will write here R2 configuration. Enable config T, host name R2, and then interface F0/0, IP address you can write 192.168.12.2, give space 255.255.255.0, and write no shut here. Then interface loopback 0, IP address write 2.2.2.2, give space 255.0.0. Any doubts here? Any confusion here? Okay, so now I will write router EIGRP1. You need to remember one, you should give one only here also. If you use one here, everywhere, wherever you are using this router connecting to this network, all should be one only. Then network, you need to calculate the network ID. So network ID will be 12.0. As already you know that 12.0 you can put wildcard or without wildcard because this is a classful IP. And same here you can write 2.0.0.0, and then you will write here 255 dot, what is the network ID for this one? 0, wildcard mask is 0.255.255.255. Okay, this is a R2. I will copy this, I will paste this in the R2. I pasted here. Everything good, no error, nothing, everything is okay. We need to wait for some time, then after that we can check the, you can see neighborship form here. So here we can go and we can check. Here I can go, I will press Ctrl Z and I will write here show IP route. So you can see here I can make this big and let me do again. So if I do here show IP route, you can see here D. If anyone want to go to this network, AD value is 90. This is a matrix and they can go via this. Next hop is this one. From this much time this route is up and this is my leaving interface. Outgoing traffic will go from this. Means R1 is saying traffic will go with this interface. Okay. So now D is nothing but EIGRP. And if you want to filter, you can write show IP route as we are writing EIGRP, press enter. So you can see here D, that is nothing but this one, and /8, and this is 90 you have. Same thing what you have, only we filter here. So this single line can come here. Okay. So this one is a routing table and now I can type neighbor table, show IP EIGRP neighbor, and you can see this is a neighbor table. So 0, first neighbor you have, so 0 is coming. This one is the neighbor IP. I am here in the R1, so R2 IP is coming here. Interface which is connecting hold on time and this one uptime. This how many packet they send. You have anything in the queue, sequence number you have. If you want to check the show IP EIGRP topology, you can type this command to check the topology. So here you have P means good, passive means good in the EIGRP. So if anyone want to go to this network, only one successor means one best route, and feasible distance is this one. What is feasible distance? We will see maybe in our next class. Advertised distance, feasible distance we will see. So if anyone want to go here, we have only one best part, they can go via this, and this is a total distance, feasible distance, and this is a reported distance, that is a distance from the neighbor. So we will see that one. So this is a table we have. This one we are calling as a which table? Topology table. And this one we are calling the neighbor table.